If you're looking to optimize your quiz for more conversions in Outgrow, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to Outgrow or just want to boost your quiz performance, I'll walk you through key strategies that can make a huge difference. Stick around till the end because I'll share an exclusive offer that lets you try Outgrow for free, along with some valuable bonuses that will make optimizing your quiz even easier. First, let's talk about the importance of personalization. Outgrow allows you to create highly customizable quizzes that adapt based on user responses. This personalization is a huge conversion booster. The more personalized your quiz feels, the higher the likelihood of engagement. Start by tailoring your questions based on user input. For example, if someone answers yes to a question, you can branch them to a follow-up question that digs deeper into their preferences, ensuring the quiz feels relevant to them. This will keep them engaged and drive higher completion rates, ultimately improving your conversion. Next, don't underestimate the power of clear, compelling results. Once your quiz is done, make sure the results are something users will want to share. Outgrow gives you the ability to create dynamic results pages that not only display valuable information, but also include call to actions that drive users toward the next step. Whether it's a product recommendation, a consultation, or a special offer, you need to make sure the results page isn't just informative. It should be an integral part of your sales funnel. Now, let's talk about your quiz flow. A smooth, logical flow is crucial. If a quiz is confusing or jumps around too much, users are likely to drop off before they complete it. Outgrow's easy-to-use builder helps you set up seamless flows with simple logic. A great strategy here is to keep things simple and focus on asking the most relevant questions. Avoid long, complex questionnaires. Keep your quiz short and to the point while still delivering enough value. By focusing on just a few key questions, you'll increase your chances of a high completion rate and, therefore, better conversion results. Another great feature in Outgrow is its built-in analytics. After your quiz is live, you can track how well it's performing. Are people dropping off at certain questions? Are they engaging with your results? This data is gold when it comes to optimization. Regularly review these analytics to see where improvements can be made. If a certain question isn't converting well, consider rephrasing it or offering a better incentive to complete that part of the quiz. Also, leverage Outgrow's integrations with platforms like MailChimp, HubSpot, and Google Analytics. These integrations allow you to push quiz responses directly into your CRM or email list, making it easy to follow up with leads and continue the conversation. The more seamless your follow-up, the higher your chances of converting that lead into a customer. Don't forget about mobile optimization. A large percentage of quiz takers are doing so on their phones, so it's important your quiz looks great on any device. Outgrow's mobile-friendly templates ensure that your quiz is responsive and easy to navigate on smartphones and tablets, which will lead to better engagement and higher conversion rates. Finally, the key to any successful quiz is making sure it aligns with your overall marketing strategy. Outgrow gives you the tools to make quizzes that not only collect data, but also help educate your audience, build trust, and push them toward taking action. Whether you're using the quiz to qualify leads, segment your audience, or increase sales, make sure your quiz serves a clear purpose in your marketing funnel. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can get access to Outgrow for free with an exclusive extended trial by using the first link in the description below. This will give you more time to explore the platform, test different quiz strategies, and start driving conversions today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your quiz game to the next level. So remember, personalizing your quiz, creating compelling results, ensuring smooth flow, leveraging analytics, integrating with other platforms, and optimizing for mobile will help you optimize your quiz for more conversions in Outgrow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that free trial.